Hello again, traders, and welcome back to the Pro Trader Network. Rick here. This is our weekly market analysis for the week ending April 23rd, 2017. And after Theresa May's announcement that there'll be a special election held in Britain in June, the pound rallied significantly to the tune of a couple hundred to up to 400 pips on some of these pound crosses. And we're looking for some retracements there. You can see I have my 4-hour charts up. And we have the first round of the French election this weekend, which will undoubtedly affect the euro. But I do have a couple of notations on a couple of my euro charts. Let's start here with the euro yen. And we have this new structure low created here, market baseline, and our TDI coming out of the extreme. So we've created our A to B leg here. And I'm looking for this B to C. Right now we're at the 382. If that holds, we'll be looking for the rally up to the 119.80s. If this continues, A to B, B to C, and C to D down to the 618 at the 116 even handle, we'll look for this rally to the 119.30. So I'm just going to be following that euro yen on this 4-hour chart, see how that plays out. Then we have the EURCAD. I'm looking for this sell-off to complete, A to B, B to C, C to D, and this would be down to the 382 retracement of this leg. And right here we have an advanced pattern. I'll let you guys figure out which one. And so we'll see if that sell-off continues and perhaps down to this 618. You can see I've drawn a line here. We have previous structure right here, previous resistance at our 382. So we could be creating some bearish divergence as well. We could retest this high and then this could roll over. As you can see, our TDI is well into the overbought extreme. Following that cross, let's look at these pound pairs. We had this massive rally on that news early in the week, that British election. This rally could continue to the upside. We have not created any divergence yet, but you can see here we are well into the overbought extreme. That's the pound dollar 4-hour. We have the pound yen creating bearish divergence, but our market baseline not nearly at the extreme. So we could have a rally here, or we could be held off here at the 140.50s and then eventually roll over. I'll be following this on the smaller time frames as well. Here's the pound CAD, same situation. We've got a pennant forming well into the extreme overbought here, but we couldn't roll over as of the end of the week. So look at this massive rally that occurred on that news. And then we have the pound Aussie, typical for all pound pairs. We had a little bounce to the downside. This one actually rolled over significantly, about 100 pips or so. Let's look at that. 130 pips. And look at this RSI and trade signal line, traders. Anytime you're in this particular zone, you can rest assured there's going to be a retrace coming soon, and then our market baseline currently overbought into the extreme here. I'm also looking at the dollar CAD. You can see here also just following our TDI, market baseline in the extreme, and we've got bearish divergence forming, market moving up, an oscillator moving down. And you can see here we have a candle reversal pattern that's formed near the end of the day on Friday. So I'll be looking at the smaller time frames for an entry there. And those are the major pairs I'm looking at. Here's the CAD yen, another one, retest of the low here, bullish divergence forming on the 4-hour chart, market baseline in the extreme. So lots of things to look at once this first round of the French election settles this Sunday. And we'll be looking to see if there's any more news out of Britain to continue this rally or create a sell-off after this huge rally that occurred earlier in the week. Thanks for all of your great emails and correspondence. I really appreciate it. And of course, thanks for spending time here at the Pro Trader Network. And as always, let's stay focused, follow our rules, and I'll see you next time.